Hi there, I'm George and I'm here today to talk to you about how to wire up our farming kits. The place that we always need to start with these is with our instructions. They've got a great wiring diagram on them for you to follow, making it nice and easy for this to get set up. One of the key points in terms of starting out is we want to get this set up and working first before we go and put this outside on the side of the building or down a shed. It's much easier to get this set up inside your kitchen than 20 foot up a ladder. The start point with this is with the bridges. These are the things that's going to send that video from your stable, your calving shed, your lambing shed, all the way back to the house so we can view this. And we're going to get the power connected up first, and that's done by these power injectors. So with the kit, you get a cloverleaf lead that needs to be plugged in, and then that is connected to the mains first and foremost. Now we've got these plugged into the mains, we're going to split the bridges. So one of them for the camera side goes down here, and the one for the house side we're going to use next. Now, on the underside of the bridges, there's a little tab. If you press that down and slide, the backing plate comes off. On here, we've got two ports, we've got WAN and we've got LAN. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the router side. So we take one of our cables and we plug it into the PoE side of the injector, clearly labelled. The PoE side on the bridge goes into the WAN port. So just to mention that one again, PoE to WAN. Now, what we need to do, we take our cable and we go into the LAN port, and that comes out and goes into the back of our router. We're going to use port 1 here. That's the house side connected up. So we've gone PoE to WAN, LAN to router. We now come over to the camera side, and again, we go to the bottom on the back and we slide off, opening it up, and we've got our WAN and LAN ports. And on this side, we say PoE on the injector, and we go PoE into WAN. And on the side, that's worked because it lights up. And then we go LAN to camera. Now the last thing that we need to do is we need to plug the power for the camera in. To do that, obviously, we take the 2.1mm jack, and there's an input on the camera that we're going to use, and we simply just plug that in, push it together, and take the end, and we plug that into the mains. That's everything now connected. We now need to move on to how to configure your cameras and get them working, and that's on a separate video. You can click the link here to how to get that set up, and you can also click the link here to how to configure your bridges. Thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.